What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your sales consultant here at Tomball Ford in Tomball, Texas. I hope you guys are doing well and having a fantastic day. Well, today was an awesome day. It was an epic day for me because I had an opportunity to have hands-on experience on the Ford Bronco. It was just an eye-opener. It was very nimble, it was very responsive, and it gripped all of the terrain that they have here in the Bronco Off-roadeo by Austin, west of Austin. You guys need to check this out. It is a phenomenal thing for you to guys have. If you have a two-door Bronco or a four-door Bronco reserved, and once you get it, you are eligible to come in and take advantage of these classes. They have trainers that will teach you, will let you know how to engage your four-wheel drive, when to do the front lockers, the rear lockers, the trail turn assist, the trail control. I mean, there's so many features on these Broncos that are pretty awesome. But hey, in today's video, I am gonna share with you my experience, and man, it was a hot day today, but I'm not complaining because I had a lot of fun. So check this video out. If you like it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like button so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So check this out.
Social media.
That's the best part. It always happens. They sent me out here.
Video.
TikTok and Instagram or nothing. Okay, you might have a deep dropout rut there, so you have to be seeing through. Secondly, you're gonna take him to the rock garden. Okay. Oh, I'm talking to you. Yeah, so you got two obstacles. One's the downhill, right? Not a lot here, but on the trail, downhill might have a total washout there, so you might have a ditch to drop through. Okay. Secondly, you have the rock garden behind you. So for setup like this for obstacles, what you want to do is you want to get them through the first one, set them up for the second one.
This is pretty awesome. This is insanely awesome. I don't know if you guys are able to hear me, but I've got an awesome view. I've got a front view camera right here checking everything out, and my spotter is going to guide me through those rocks that you guys are seeing right now. Front camera's on.
Put it down and drive. Rear diff's on. So mud and rut automatically turns on your stay bar disconnect.
All right, here we go. This is pretty awesome. Whoa.
Don't go Johnny Manziel, Texas A&M running the 40.
All right, sir.
Do it more like Johnny Manziel, Canadian Football League. Slow and fast.
Rocks over here?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
He's got you.
Okay.
Two hands on the wheel. Keep coming. Keep coming. Good job.
Seeing you. This is pretty awesome, guys. You need to definitely experience this. Good spotter, good spotter. Don't walk back.
I know.
Helping you out, man. I want you alive. Come on in, brother.
I'll let you ride. Take it.
Come on in. You did good there, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
All right. He said no here, right?
Yeah, it's too deep.
Are you sure we can't go there?
7 feet deep. It's up to you. Not even you are that tall.
Wow, this is pretty neat, man.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
All right, let's see. Look at this, pretty neat.
This is pretty cool.
Holy
This is
smokes.
cool.
Oh my
It's like a
god.
roller coaster. It's sweet.
Oh shit.
You're good. You're good.
Oh my. Damn. That's pretty awesome.
All good.
Whoa. Dude, we're
Hey,
teeter-totting.
A little
teeter-tottering.
bit bigger over here, right? Wheel's actually off the ground. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. Alright.
Don't lean.
Lean passenger side? No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead and hit that stay bar disconnect button, the first button for me on the very top of the hero switches.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Right?
That's pretty
All balanced
awesome.
out.
That is cool.
Same as before. Your rear again. So, slowly go ahead and go forward. Go a little bit passenger. Passenger. Straight. Keep going forward.
Well, guys, we are at a lunch break at the Bronco Off-roadeo, and as you can see, we've got tons of Broncos behind me, and this event is just absolutely phenomenal. And every single person that is going to be getting a Ford Bronco or a Bronco Sport First Edition or Badlands will be able to enjoy this awesome park. Excuse me. I'm super pumped. I'm excited. Hey, the next up is going to be the big Broncos over there. We are taking them to this terrain, and we are going to be checking that guy out. I will report back to you guys at the end of the day. I'm just kind of taking a little break and taking this in, but Bronco Off-roadeo, it is definitely worth coming to see and enjoy and learn about the Ford Bronco. So keep on keeping on and staying tuned. So now we are in the full-size Bronco, and I just finished my turn in driving. My partner in crime here, Steve, is it's his turn. And guys, let me tell you that this thing does not disappoint at all. It can handle all of the terrain with no issues at all. Go over any type of terrain. It is true. And let me just flip so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. That is just absolutely craziness what these Broncos are capable of doing. And yeah, we got some awesome trainers that are doing their best, their part, yeah, to teach us. And yeah, this is super fun. So let's continue. Guys, this was a video to showcase the phenomenal Bronco and the Bronco Sport. These are awesome vehicles. We got a chance to tear them up, go through mud, go through rocks, take these doors off, the tops off, learn when to engage your rear end, your front end, all of that stuff. Hey, this was a blast. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Remember, I've got a Bronco reserved and I am definitely making a lot of content for the Ford Bronco. So make sure that you let me know if you have any questions. The comments below are always open. I am at your service. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.